back to Cars Jade channel. Today we delve into the essence of automotive excellence with the 2026 Lexus RZ 450e. As the automotive world accelerates toward electrification, Lexus steps into the EV market with the 2026 Lexus RZ 450e, a compact luxury SUV that combines the brand's signature opulence with forward-thinking technology. While the RZ impresses with its upscale interior and modern design, it faces challenges in terms of powertrain performance and range compared to its luxury EV rivals. The 2026 Lexus RZ 450e marks Lexus' entry into the electric vehicle segment, positioning itself as a high-end compact SUV. Designed with the brand's luxury ethos, the RZ introduces several upgrades to meet Lexus premium standards. Its performance leaves room for improvement. The RZ 300e, with its single electric motor and 201 horsepower, offers front-wheel drive but feels underpowered compared to rivals. The RZ 450e, equipped with an all-wheel drive dual-motor setup and 308 horsepower, performs better but still lags behind many competitors in the luxury EV market. The RZ's range, estimated between 196 and 266 miles, may also deter buyers looking for longer-lasting electric options. A simplicity-focused interior design in the RZ's interior has removed many buttons and switches from the dashboard and doors and relocated those things to the large infotainment display. Similar approaches have been employed in EV models from Tesla and Polestar, with varying results. Either way, the RZ's cabin is spacious for a small crossover and looks and feels quite upscale, with most surfaces wrapped with faux suede or synthetic leather. The RZ 300e has a single electric motor on its front axle that's good for 201 horsepower. The RZ 450e is powered by a dual-motor arrangement that spreads 308 horsepower among all four wheels. Lexus introduces a groundbreaking yoke-style steering wheel as an optional feature, paired with a steer-by-wire system. For traditionalists, a standard circular steering wheel remains available. The price of the 2026 Lexus RZ starts at $43,975 and goes up to $58,605 depending on the trim and options. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.